Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. Today I'm going to be talking about my new Okmo solar panel that goes perfectly with the Okmo power stations. This is a 1,000 watt hour power station. I've had it for probably 6, 8, 10 months now, maybe almost a year. I've used this on pretty much every trip. The reason being, it's just so much easier, right? It's self-sufficient, it's enclosed, I can throw it up in my tent, I can charge all my electronics, I can charge my camera gear, I can charge my Apple Watch, my phone, all that sort of stuff. And because of the capacity, I can run bigger stuff like AC appliances and small griddles and things like that. So today I'm going to run you through the features of the Okmo solar panel. You can team 2 of these up and do up to 200 watts of power at one time. So I'm going to walk you through all that. I'm going to show you the features of it. I'm going to show you how they set up and how easy they are to use. And hopefully that'll be good information for you. So if you want to learn more about that, stay tuned. All Things Overlanding is brought to you by some fantastic companies. You should definitely check out the description and click through their links to see all the awesome stuff they offer. Companies like Red Arc for all your overlanding power management needs. Last US Bag, tons of amazing quality overlanding bags. Rugged Bound Supply Company, rooftop tents, awnings, roof racks, and more. The More Expo 2022, get your tickets below. And Northology Overland, guided overlanding trips and a free overlanding magazine. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the inside of the solar panel. The cool thing is you'll notice these sort of little divots here, and then on the opposite side sort of a dimple, if you will. They're opposite. What these are is they're magnets. So the cool thing is when you close this thing, which I'm doing it one-handed, you'll see here, it seals together with the magnets. So that's what keeps it together. So it makes it really easy to just pick up and carry with you. It's got a nice comfortable handle on it. Again, magnetically closes, which is really nice. On one side here, you will notice this is actually a leg. So you can actually pop this up. There's one on the other side, and that will help you stand it up. So you can face it towards the sun, stand that thing up, and get the best possible angle for the sun to pick up for the solar charging. Here's the other leg on this side, and then you'll notice this pocket. Basically, what this pocket is it holds all of your cords. So it's really nice. They've actually got an adapter cord that comes with it that has an Anderson plug on one end of it, and then a bunch of adapters on the other end, which is pretty cool. And then built into it, you've got an Anderson plug that you will notice there is a DC input right here on the Okmo. So again, this is made to work with the Okmo power bank. You can just literally plug this solar panel directly into that PV in right there and set it up in the sun, and you are good to go. You are charging your power station. Now, another cool thing about these is you can use 2 of these at one time. So if you have 2 of these solar panels and a Y splitter with an Anderson plug on the end of it, you can plug the Anderson plug into the PV in here, and you could plug the Y splitter out into each solar panel, and you can have up to 200 watts charging this thing at any given time, which is really awesome if you want to charge it quick. I do really like that this has this pocket here, because then you can store stuff. I did throw my Y splitter in my other solar panel. So I've got that at all times. I've always got the stuff that I need to be able to use it. You'll also notice that it does have a USB out and a Type-C USB, so USB-C plug on it. So you could plug things directly into it, and it will modulate it and regulate the power and charge whatever you've plugged in the best that it can based on the sun input through the solar panel, which is really, really nice. So you can see the size of this thing. It is a fairly good size, but it does fold extremely flat. So I will put the dimensions up on the screen here so you know how big this thing is. I personally am going to put this behind my rear seat in my Maverick. So those will go back there, take up no room in the cab basically, and then when I need them I can pop them out, plug them into the Okmo power bank, which will be in the bed of the truck, and I can start charging at camp. So super excited to use this thing. Alright guys, so that was the Okmo 100 watt solar panels. Again, these things are a really good value. They're not the cheapest thing around. So if you are not dedicated to solar, this may not be a good option for you. But if you are, like me, I've had a lot of solar stuff. I plan to equip my truck with solar, but I like this as an option to portably charge this power bank. So if you're not looking to, permanently outfit your vehicle with solar or something like that, if you're, more of like a weekend warrior or something and you just go when you can, a portable power generator and a solar panel that folds up may be a good option, because then when you need to go on a trip, you can grab these things, throw them in their vehicle, go on your trip, have a good time. come home, take them out, and your vehicle is your daily driver again. So if you're looking for something more like that, I think this is a great option for you. If you have any comments or questions, definitely post up down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Happy to answer any questions that you've got. I will post a link in the description below to this solar panel, so you definitely want to click through that to go check it out. If you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a couple videos a week, generally something like this, like a gear review, and then something related to overlanding or camping. So if you're into anything like that, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Also, there are links in the description to Facebook, Instagram, my podcast. I do a podcast every week about overlanding stuff. There's also a link to Patreon. We've got a Discord there, so we're having chats every day, 24/7. It's awesome. Small group of guys just hanging out. So I'd love to have you come and hang out over there. Also then the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group. Totally free to join, over 2,000 members. So it's an awesome place to be if you have questions, if you're newer to overlanding. We would love to have you come and hang out. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.